Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about understanding the importance of standard operating procedures, SOPs. Let's jump right into it. What is a standard operating procedure? A standard operating procedure is a documented process used to guide employees in routine tasks and operations. SOPs are crucial in various sectors, including healthcare, manufacturing, hospitality, and service industries. They help ensure that every task is completed correctly, regardless of who is performing it. SOPs also help prevent mistakes, maintain compliance with regulations, and improve operational efficiency. Why are SOPs important? Consistency in operations. SOPs standardize tasks, ensuring everyone follows the same method. This consistency leads to improved quality of work and a more predictable outcome. Training and onboarding. New employees can refer to SOPs to understand how to perform their roles without requiring constant supervision. They act as training materials, reducing onboarding time and minimizing errors. Compliance and safety. Many industries have strict regulations. SOPs help organizations adhere to these standards, reducing the risk of non-compliance. In industries like healthcare and manufacturing, SOPs are critical for maintaining safety standards and preventing accidents. Accountability. SOPs make it clear who is responsible for each task. This accountability ensures that operations run smoothly and employees can be held responsible for adhering to the procedures. Continuous improvement. SOPs can be regularly updated and refined based on feedback and new insights. This fosters a culture of continuous improvement, where processes evolve to become more efficient and effective. How to develop an SOP. Identify the task. Determine which processes require documentation. High-frequency, safety-critical, or compliance-related tasks are great starting points. Consult stakeholders. Engage with employees who perform the task regularly. Their insights will help ensure the SOP is practical and realistic. Draft the procedure. Break the task down into detailed steps. Use clear and concise language, and avoid jargon to make the SOP easy to follow. Review and test. Test the SOP with a small group of employees to identify any ambiguities or improvements. Implement and train. Once finalized, share the SOP with the relevant team members. Provide training to ensure everyone understands and can follow the procedure. Regularly update. As processes evolve, so should your SOPs. Regularly review and update them to reflect new practices, technologies, or regulations. Conclusion. Standard operating procedures are a cornerstone of operational success, helping organizations maintain consistency, safety, and compliance. By investing time in creating well-crafted SOPs, businesses can enhance productivity, ensure regulatory adherence, and create a safer, more efficient workplace. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.